Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to style roadmap items. In your roadmap, you can apply styles to individual items, to multiple selected items, or globally across the entire roadmap. Tasks and milestones have slightly different styling options. Let's start with tasks. To update the style of a task, click on it and open the Style tab. From here, you can customize the text and background colors. To choose a color, select one from the palette, use the color picker, use the eyedropper tool to copy an existing color, or enter a hex code. You can also customize the border settings, for example by disabling rounded corners. Now let's look at milestones. Click on a milestone and open the Style tab. Just like tasks, you can customize the text and icon colors. You can also choose a milestone type or select a different icon. Open the drop-down menu, search for an icon, and select the one you want. All these changes apply only to the selected item. If you select multiple items, the same style will be applied to all of them. For example, to style all items in a group, click Select All Items, right-click on one of the items, and select Item Settings. Then, update the style settings once. You can also define default styles for the entire roadmap. For example, to change the default milestone icons, open the roadmap settings, scroll to the milestones section, and choose a new icon for each milestone type. These settings apply to all milestones in the roadmap. Ready to try it yourself? Go for it!